Hey there gamers, welcome back to another video on our channel. Today we are going to take a deep dive into one of the most popular and iconic video game franchise of all time, Call of Duty. From its humble beginning to the latest and greatest release, we will cover everything there is to know about this epic first-person shooting game. The origin of Call of Duty. Call of Duty was first developed by Infinity Ward and released in 2003. It was created as a World War II shooter with an aim of offering players an immersive and realistic experience of the battlefield. The game was quickly gained a huge following and was soon followed by several sequels and spin-offs. Today, Call of Duty is developed by several studios including Treyarch and Sledgehammer Games and has become one of the most successful game franchises in history. Now let's talk about the history of Call of Duty. Over the years, Call of Duty has seen many different iterations, each with its unique storyline and gameplay mechanics. From the original World War II setting, the franchise has gone on to explore modern warfare, futuristic battle, and even the undead. Some of the most popular entries in the series include Call of Duty 4, Modern Warfare, Call of Duty Black Ops, and Call of Duty Warzone. Let's take a close look at some of the most popular Call of Duty games. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2007. This is considered by many to be a turning point for this franchise. It introduced a modern setting with new gameplay mechanics and an engaging storyline that kept players hooked. Call of Duty Black Ops 2010. This game took players back to the Cold War era and introduced a new multiplayer mode that allowed players to create their own custom class and loadouts. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2019. This game made a return to the Modern Warfare storyline and features stunning graphics and an emotional charged campaign. Call of Duty Warzone 2020. This free-to-play battle royale game has quickly become one of the most popular entries in the franchise. It features a massive map, 150 players match, and a variety of game modes. Well, did you know that Call of Duty is one of the most popular video game franchises in the world with over 300 million copies sold today, or that the famous no ratio level in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 caused controversy and was even banned in some countries? There's always something interesting to learn about this amazing series. And Call of Duty is developed and published by several different companies, including Activision, Treyarch, and Sledgehammer Games. Each studio brings its unique vision and gameplay mechanics to the franchise, ensure that there's always something fresh and exciting to look forward. Well, that's all for today's video on Call of Duty. We hope you have enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most popular video game franchise of all time. If you have any thoughts or comments, be sure to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. MrNoOne.